Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for the gold, silver and palladium price prediction based on Elliott Wave Analysis. We're gonna see what happened today with the gold starting on the 1-hour chart and 15-minute chart as usual. So we have, of course, today in the daily analysis we have mentioned that this impulse towards the downside was invalidated last night by taking, of course, the invalidation at 4,222. That means the impulse is gone. Simply, it has transformed to three waves, zigzag as a wave 1. Potentially, of course, in an ending diagonal, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, which is still bearish, of course, can be a 1, 2, even from there if it wants to. But still, of course, I'm giving a chance for a wave 2 to go higher a little bit, and then having wave 3, 4, and a 5 to finish at least by taking this low there for a wave 5 here, because we still here in a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3, wave 4 didn't took the invalidation again here at all, and we still, of course, looking for something for lower in a wave 5, guys. In case that things are pushing for something else, and that means that the gold is looking for something bullish here, it can be, guys. So is this thing here, which it looks like a perfect impulse, despite this wave, let's say, consider this is an ABC expanding flat. We have an impulse, right? Which can be a wave A or a wave 1. Now, we're testing the area here, 0.618, 0.786, and it has give us a little bit of strength, but not the signal of strength that I'm looking for still. I needed the 5 waves. So far, I still see only 3 waves, A, B, C, and we're still ranging there, so no signal of strength, so I cannot say that we are bullish as well, right? So the things are still, of course, a little bit shady, I would say, between bullish and bearish, but today I mentioned that we might see a little bit higher prices still, which it can be even a potential ABC 1-to-1 Fibonacci level, zigzag taking the invalidation, and this might turn into something else, maybe by breaking the 1-to-1 Fib level. Then okay, we're pushing in a wave at 3, 1.618, 4K 700. So by all means, right now, as a conclusion for the gold, we still in a shade a little bit here, but higher probability and the pressure is still coming from the upside here as bearish, where we have a large 1, 2, 3 here. 4 and a 5 might still be unfolding, and internally even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish only the wave 3 is still there. It's still putting pressure as selling again, of course. That's why we cannot yet be very, very bullish, guys, before taking, of course, the real invalidation 4,433. So my expectation are still, of course, to take this low at least, and potentially to hit the target in confluence here, $3,900, $3,800 for the gold, guys. That was it for the gold. For the silver, well, for the silver as well, on the 1-hour chart here, we are looking also at the same as for the gold. We got an impulse before, but last night we got the invalidation, because anyway, the 1-to-1 Fibonacci level taken from the A to the B to the C here is very close to the invalidation, and that's why I was like, it can be very easy taken, and here we go. It took it, but we don't have yet a signal of strength. Where is my 5 ways toward the upside? I need those 5 ways up, 3 ways down, pushing for higher, taking the high, and this is where I confirm. Yeah, so there is a difference between like probability and confirmation. So this is where I confirm that something bullish is going on. So we cannot yet confirm this. We're still in 3 waves and we still have some pressure. Things might simply shift into a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Again, this diagonal, ending diagonal, that it might be unfolding here also, because we have a pressure as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. Don't forget that this is a full impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, no invalidation taken, and wave 5 is still unfolding, but simply in different way. Rather than an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is an ending diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 again, but simply overlapping the wave with each others. So I'm still expecting also for the silver to take the low, and very likely to take this blue target 57.5 or $55.2 for the silver as well. Now, if we dive for Palladium, we are looking also at something here as a potential target for a wave two. We mentioned as well that this can be a a signal maybe, but honestly, again, it lacks for continuity here. I don't see a proper five waves anyway. I mentioned this today in the daily analysis. This is not nice as an impulse. Definitely, this is something as three waves. So I don't see yet the signal of strength, and I would say that things might continue to push downward here, since we are also in something can be impulsive there, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 maybe as an expanding flat or WXNY. Wave 5 meaning formation of 1, 2, 3 here, and then 4 and a 5. Still one more low can be possible. I don't see yet again a clear signal of strength. That's the problem. And of course, I need to take the high at least here to call something even that it has some strength. So nothing yet is given. So we gotta be careful. Pressure is still there. And we might still see maybe a deeper blue zone here because of course we took only the 0.618, but you still have a large gap that you can fill here. So don't forget that this is still open for a potential wave 2, wave B there, and a larger wave 5 extended potentially here, all of it. So this is regarding the metals, gold, silver, and palladium. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.